In this video, we'll be going over the settings and functions on a Margo Electra. To begin, connect to power. Always connect your negative terminal first. You'll see there is a countdown, the T minus, and that is your time till the cannon fires. The 12.7 volts is our current reading from our power supply. The next page you can get to simply by scrolling in a counterclockwise fashion, and this will be your test fire page. Here you can actually perform a test fire by simply pushing in. The test fire will test the number of shots that you have selected per cycle. The next page is setting interval. We recommend a random max 15. This means the cannon will fire randomly within a maximum of 15 minutes. You can go to this simply by scrolling through the options. Next page is your shots per cycle. You can adjust this, same thing, just press in and rotate. The next page is going to be setting your clock. You can do this by pressing in. It will pop up with hour. This allows you to set the hour for the time. And next is your minute, and that'll allow you to set your minutes. Your third push will allow you to rotate back through your main menu. Your next page will be quiet time. This can be set by pressing in, and it will first pop up with your on hour, so when your quiet time will begin. You can adjust this by scrolling. Currently, we have it set for 9 p.m. Then it will pop up your on minute, which you can adjust if you want to be more precise with your quiet time. And then you have your off hour, which we will set for 7 a.m. and your off minute. When you save, it will return to the main menu. You can set up to 3 quiet times in a 24-hour period.